Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to save a TikTok video as a live wallpaper on Android phone. Let's have a look. First, launch your Play Store. On the search box, type TikTok wall picture. Download and install TikTok wall picture on your Android phone. When it's downloaded, you can launch it by tap on open button or tap on TikTok wall picture icon. Now launch your TikTok app. Find out the video that you want to save as a live wallpaper on your Android home screen. I like to use this video. Tap on share button from the bottom right side and tap on live photo. It's downloading that video. Just tap on set wallpaper. I like to use it home screen and lock screen. Live photo saved successfully. Now go to home screen and it's the downloaded live wallpaper from TikTok. In this way, you can save a TikTok video as a live wallpaper on Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.